Hello, I'm Maria and I'm going to show you some of my most favorite photos. This is my mom. She is 45 years old. She has got brown and wavy hair and brown eyes. She is tall and smart. She likes reading, and in the photo she is smiling. This is my dad. He is 47 years old. She has got brown eyes and short brown hair. He is tall and is very friendly. In the photo, he is with me. This is my brother. He is 14 years old. He has got blue eyes and brown short hair. He is smiley and smart. In the photo, he is in a water park. This is my dog. It is Yorkshire Terrier and it is 2 years old. It has got gray and blonde short hair and black eyes. It is very small and smart. In the photo, it is in the floor. This is my friend. She 10 years old. She has got brown eyes and brown hair. She is medium-faced, smart and very friendly. In the photo, she is in the beach. Thank you for your attention. I hope you liked my presentation.